Hi children, we can start the class. Our land of diversity. India has variety of landforms, climate and people. Ours is the second highest populous country in the world. Yes children, India is the second largest highest population children. India is the first highest, China is the first highest population and India is the second highest population. In China it is very highest population, China is the highest population. Second one is India is the highest population. India has variety of landforms, climate and the people. Here the different types of people are living. Yes or no children? In India different types of people are living, different language, different cultures. So everything is different. Ours is the second highest populous country in the world. There are more than billion people living here. There are billions of people are living here. They are belong to the different religions and tribes. They are belongs to the different religions. They are all are belong to the same religion. No, they are so much. They are different religions and tribes. They speak different languages. Yes, there are so many languages. They speak different languages. They are official language including English in our country. So India is the link language children. English is the link language because all the people they generally know English. So English is an link language. People in different religions wear different clothes, different kinds of clothes. In India, the people will wear different religion. In Karnataka, they will wear different dresses. In Kerala, they will wear different types of dresses. Yes or no? Their culture is different. Their way of talking is different. Their language is different. So all the types of peoples are living in the India. The people in different religions wear different kinds of clothes, having different food habits. Food habits also is very different. Yet all Indians are stand united. Yet all Indians are stand united. Yet we all are Indians and stand united. We all are Indians, no children. We are all known Indians. When all are together, it will be very happy. Hence, India is known as the land of unity in diversity. It is land of unity in diversity means everybody will live in the India. All the types of people will live in India. All the different languages of people will live in India. We are very proud to be an Indian. We should be very proud to be an Indian. Okay, children, this is the end of your lesson. Thank you so much. Again, I will tell some points. You will write it down. Again, I will tell some points to know. Here, know, I know. Here some points is given. No, I know. India is located in the northern hemisphere and the southern part of Asia. The Gulf of Mannar and the Palak Strait separates the India from Sri Lanka. I told no children. From the India, the Sri Lanka is separated by the Gulf of Mannar and the Palak Strait. The three main divisions are Himalayas, the Great Plains and the Deccan Plateau. The Great Plains and the Deccan Plateau. There are 29 states and 7 union territories in India. There are 23 official languages including English in our country. There are 23 official languages there children. 23 official language. There is 29 states and 23 official language including English. That is the end of your lesson. Okay, thank you children.